Hey everyone, welcome to another tutorial in Kotlin with Compose. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can generate a signing report. So first of all, open your project in the Android Studio and you can see the Gradle icons on the right side. Just click on this and you can see there is a second options in the Gradle menu, that is execute Gradle task. Click on this and type SIGNING report and hit enter. After this, the Gradle will run and your configurations will be shown here, and you can see MD5, SHA1 and SHA256 here. And if you also have configured your release, then you could also see the configured fingerprint as well, but I have not configured in this project, so you can see the null over here. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if this tutorial helped you, then please don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe to this channel for more Kotlin and Compose updates. So see you in the next video. Till then, happy coding.